In this project, students are expected to answer the question, what does it mean to be a disciplinary engineer, by synthesizing information about how we see ourselves in our chosen discipline of engineering. Engineering is a field of study that applies math and science principles in order to solve problems, invent, design, and build. Some specialized disciplines of engineering include civil, mechanical, chemical, and electrical. My chosen discipline is electrical. Although sometimes it can be challenging, my job is to make it less frightening for the students entering this discipline. What is electrical engineering? To answer this, my main focus will be the origins of electrical engineering. It's hard to say exactly when this discipline started, but some would say the 19th century, around the time of the telegraph. Michael Faraday, born in 1791, was known as the father of electricity, born outside of London, England. Michael Faraday was never really introduced to schooling, but had basic reading, writing, and math skills. He was also a self-taught physicist and chemist. Faraday is known for his discoveries of electromagnetic induction and laws of electrolysis. Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction, also known as Faraday's law, is a basic law of electromagnetism predicting how a magnetic field will interact with an electric circuit to produce an electromotive force. Faraday created the first transformer in August 1831. Soon after, he invented the first electric motor. Some of the pioneers in electrical engineering, like Alexander Graham Bell, started as telegraph operators. Bell was born in Edinburgh, Scotland in 1847. In 1871, he began to develop an upgraded telegraph machine capable of sending and receiving messages at the same time. Bell's work inspired others, including his electrician partner, Thomas Watson. Working together, Bell and Watson developed the first voice-transmitting device. One could think of their efforts as the foundation work for today's cell phones, televisions, computers, and other essential electronic devices. Thomas Edison was born in 1847 in Milan, Ohio. Edison is arguably the most famous of all engineers in history and is known as America's greatest inventor. As a young child, Edison spent many hours working on experiments at home. He suffered hearing loss due to scarlet fever and may have exhibited signs of ADHD according to today's medical definition. His career began as a telegrapher at age 16. At age 19, he moved to Louisville, Kentucky to work at the Western Union. Edison's first invention was the electric vote recorder, patent granted in 1869, but the invention was not very successful.
Created using Powtoon.